What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I previously made a video making Mark Martin and NASCAR Heat 5. Today, we're going to make Dale Jarrett's quality care service. Pretty sure that's right. Yeah. 88 car, which those of you guys that are like my age, you remember Dale running this in the late 90s. So, let's see. Let's change the make to Ford. Once again, I'll say this for every video that we do like this. If you guys have suggestions for who we should make next, drop that comment down below. I will do my best to try to make it. If it's just not able to be done, I'll try it, and if I comment back and say, hey, I can't do it, or this is the closest I can get, we'll do it that route. But drop your comments down below. Make sure you guys give this freaking video a big thumbs up too, because this stuff is like, it's fun to do, and I think it's going to be cool to see some of you guys rocking this online. And if you guys do rock it online, let me know, so then, obviously, I can know. You know what I mean? I can know that you guys are rocking my paint scheme online. So, Dale's numbers were red with a white outline. So we'll leave it like that. Now the tricky part is he had like stuff coming from the back. I'll swoop down to the picture, and I'll post a picture of this towards the beginning. It'll probably be in the thumbnail. So he's got like this white or red, white type scheme, and unfortunately we can't make the splitter red in the front, otherwise that'd be pretty damn spot on. Thinking about running this paint scheme, or we could do something like that. We could do that. It's not as whooshy, but we could do that. We could do that. So we're going to play this out. So we're going to start with the very last one. Change our base coat to a royal blue, because his car was a royal blue. So we can do that. This bottom stripe, see, it's weird, because on his car, like, around the bottom underneath the numbers it was red, but then in the back it was white. So let's see what red looks like here. And then that top portion would be red as well. And his spoiler was red. So his sponsors were white on the hood. So let's get a white sponsor on the hood. And it took up a lot of the hood. So we want to try to find a white sponsor that's not square, that takes up a lot of the hood. Might have a hard time doing that, to be honest with you guys. So we can do Brandt, Eris, let's do Liberty. We're gonna rock Liberty, because I think honestly it matches the color scheme, so that's cool. On the side, he had a lot of decals on the side behind the numbers. He had Coca-Cola, Fleetwood RV, Motorcraft, Mac Tools. So they were all various colors. A lot of them are actually black. So you can run Smithfield. Fanatec, Gatorade, mechanics. You can see, but he has mechanics at the front. Opportunity. Let's throw Smithfield's a little small, but I don't want to be like overkill too large. Yeah, it's tough. It's on Opportunity. Our quarter panel we'll put on Liberty. Top, he ran the same on the top as what he did on the sides. Yeah, on the Liberty, I feel like I passed it. I did. Let's see. Liberty. And the rear quarter panel, let's just do something subtle. There we go. So this is option number 1. You can run here. A I like the Liberty on the hood, but on the sides, I kind of want to run something long. Let's see here. And we'll come up with like a final good looking product here. See, none of these are really like long. See if we can run brand on the side. So you can do that, right? Now, this paint scheme is pretty close. You can also run that. And or that. It's a tough call. I'm gonna go with this because it brings kind of the white and the red up towards the front, similar to his car. I hate that it's not the same sponsor on the side as the hood, but you guys get the point. I think it's a sharp looking car. I would totally rock that online. Anyway guys, there's Dale Jarrett's number 88 car for you guys. If this was your first time watching a video on my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. Join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. And I will catch you guys in the freaking next one. Later.